Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Evernote account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.evernote.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option. If you had used your Google account or Apple account while creating an account, then click on Continue with Google and Continue with Apple options respectively. Or if you had used your email address, then enter your email address. If you want your device to remember your login details up to 30 days, then check the box that says Remember Me for 30 days. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create Account link. After entering your email address, click on Continue button. Then follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Evernote account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.